Hi, Bryce here with Apollo Screen and Shade. If you've ever wanted to enjoy your patio without the bugs, the glare, or the neighbors watching your every move, this is the answer you've been looking for. Apollo PowerScreens are motorized, retractable screens that turn any patio, porch, or covered space into a room you'll actually want to live in. Push a button, and the screen glides down smooth and silent, locking into a sealed track system so there's no flapping, no gaps, and no wind sneaking through. Push it again and it disappears completely, like it was never there. With the screen down, you get a bug-free breeze and real relief from the sun with fabric options that block out up to 97% of harsh UV rays. That same sealed system also holds up against wind-driven rain, so a passing storm doesn't mean packing up and heading indoors. You also get one-way daytime privacy, so you can see out but no one can see in. In the cooler months, that same screen holds in warmth, so you're not losing dozens of days of outdoor living every year to weather that used to chase you inside. Every power screen is custom measured and factory built for your exact space, then installed by our own trained team, not a subcontractor. That's 20 plus years of craftsmanship, backed by industry-leading warranties on both the motor and the fabric. This isn't a curtain hanging in the wind, it's engineered, it's precise, and once you've lived with it, you won't remember what your patio was like without it. That's the Apollo PowerScreen difference.